We're going to talk about how our thoughts lead to our reality. Let's talk about it. So good thoughts are energy. People don't know this, but thoughts are energy because everything in life is an energy. Good thoughts generate good energy, and bad thoughts generate bad energy. So a good thought leads to your emotion, good feelings. Negative thought leads to negative emotions. And based on our emotions and feelings, that is how we act. We act according to our emotions. We're emotional beings. We are not as logical as we think. We are very emotional beings. Our emotions are what drives us in life. And because the same thoughts are repetitive, it will continuously drive the same emotion. And because you have the same emotion, you are going to continue to take the same action. The same action taken over time become habits. And your habits become who you are, which is your personality. And your personality is what shapes your reality. Personality is actually personal reality. Personality creates your reality. Let's make this practical. Let's say someone has the belief system or a thought process that says, I can. Let me tell you, thoughts are not facts. They are opinions that you have about yourself. And so this person has this opinion that says, I can, or this thought that I can every single time. Their I can thought will generate feelings of excitement, hopeful, powerful, energetic, motivational feelings that makes them feel so good. Because they feel good, they are more likely to take actions and really feel motivated, right? Because they are motivated, they work harder, apply for that job, they launch that business, they go and learn. The thoughts has created positive energies that gives them the ability to take the actions required for that. And because they are creating and doing things and learning, they become a consistent person. They become a courageous person. They never give up because they are constantly being fed that energy through their thought. Again, their thought is giving them that positive energy, that motivation, and therefore they are taking the actions that align with that energy and emotion. That excitement is giving them that momentum, and therefore they are able to be consistently taking this action, which becomes their habit. And therefore this person that just has this thought of I can't their personality becomes someone that is driven, very dependable. They are inspiring, confident. That is their personality. They start becoming very, very driven. They keep going. They keep going and achieving things, right? And therefore, their reality becomes someone that is successful or wealthy. They're able to see opportunities and things of that nature. This should have been read, but. And then someone that says I can't, this is a low frequency energy. This thought process here creates a low energy frequency. And because they say I can't, immediately the emotions that they feel aligns with that I cannot thought. They feel fear, they are in doubt, they are unmotivated because they cannot, they feel shameful. As a result of that, they run from opportunities. Even if they try, they give up quickly. That is their actions. They do not push for things because they just don't have the energy. Again, our thoughts create our emotions. And if your emotions are low vibrational emotion, you cannot have the energy. Your body is just not built that way, right? And therefore, they now have a habit of procrastinating. They quit easily and so much more, right? They just have this personality of someone that does not get things done, that don't get results. And so, they have it. They procrastinate, they quit And then the personality becomes someone that's an underachiever, an insecure person, low confidence, things of that nature. And as a result of that, their reality becomes they feel stuck in life. Again, this should have been read. Slow progression. They see slow progression in their life. They probably see more failure because they never really push for things. And then they also ignore opportunity because it's just is not worth it to push for opportunities that they don't think they can get. Right? So let's tell me what you guys think in the comment section. Is this helpful? Do you guys want to see more of this type of like visual? Peace.